Okay guys, so I'm very excited. I'm back on YouTube, hopefully this time. So right now I'm just prepping my nails. I really been wanting to do these nails that I seen. What is her name? Hold on, let me pull it up. Her name is Nails by Kitty X on Instagram, and she puts like piercing in her nails. I don't know if she's the creator of it, but girl, it's cute. If you guys hear the washer and dryer in the background, it's because the washer and dryer is on. So I'm sorry. But yeah, so I want to do an in-depth tutorial about my prep. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys a real quick clip of how I do it before I apply my press-on nails, Gel X, or Polygel. Alright guys, so right here I'm just kind of about to start sizing the tips to my hand, excuse me. So today I am doing Gel X nails. If this is a dupe, this is not Apres. Sadly, I don't got Apres money at the moment. So yeah, we're doing plastic tips, giving very much plastic. I am etching the inside of the nail so they'll be able to stick better when I apply them with the base coat. So right now I'm just using some Mia Secret, what is it called, dehydrator and primer. This is great to put on before any type of application, press on nails, whatever. This is a great thing to use when I put on my press on nails. If I put on some dehydrator primer, my nails stay on unless they're cheap and they like break like at the tip. But anyways, yeah, so you guys can't really see me putting in the lamp. It was such a struggle putting these on. Like, the lamp I have is old. My mom used to be a nail tech, so I just took her like old stuff, and yeah, the light did not want to stay on and the little motion sensor wasn't working. So to get that sharp like that sharp square, I can't, like where the tips are pointing, like I can't explain it, but you guys are gonna see it. To get that, you have to angle the cutter downwards. You have to angle it downwards, and yeah, so you guys can see it's kind of like sharp. I don't know how to explain that. It's like a well cut. That's what's called, a well cut, and it is so bomb. So right here I'm just kind of shaping up the sides, trying to get down the thickness because they are not gel. Plastic is way more thicker, so I'm trying to get down the sides. I'm going ahead and filing the nail all together so that the product that I put on can stick better. Alright, so I just got done filing my nails and trying to get down the cuticles and sides and all that. I went ahead and wiped them down with some alcohol. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to make a base color. I do not have any base colors. I plan on getting some for my future videos. I want to do a Valentine's Day look, so I definitely plan on getting some base colors for that. Although I don't know if I'm going to do Gel X or Polygel, but we'll see. So I'm just taking a like, what is it called, a builder gel. I'm taking two builder gels. One is from In Hype. It's on Amazon. It's called Neon Pink. The other one is from Beetles. It came in a set. I really don't remember which number, but I'm gonna link down everything below. So yeah, I'm taking a little of this Mia Secret top coat, which is trash. I'm sorry, Mia, baby girl, but this is trash. But I'm gonna use it to thin out the builder gel because it is very thick. So I'm trying to go for a hot pink, like tan color, but it kind of didn't go like I don't know. It's cute. It comes out really cute in the end, but it's not exactly what I was going for. So yeah, I do add a little bit more tan to it. I think off camera, or I don't know. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna start buffing out the shine so I can go ahead and start painting the French tip part. So to do the French tip part, I just took another cheap Amazon nail polish. I really don't remember. I think it's called Candyland, but it's just they're black. I wish I would have got like a gel paint or something. Some people use acrylic paint. I like acrylic paint, but I don't know. I just don't like the process of having to let it dry before you can move on. So yeah. I'm trying to do a sharp, deep, I think it's called French, because I just wanted these to look so cute, so goth, so kawaii. Like, I just wanted to look so cute, so I wanted it to be really extra and deep. So I don't know what it's called for real, because I just been seeing it on Instagram. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm just taking a paintbrush dipped in the alcohol, and I'm cleaning it up. I learned this method from a girl on YouTube. She's so bomb. She is so sweet. Her name is Nails by Val or something. It is called, hold on, because like, what the heck? Yeah, her name on YouTube is called Nails Slayed by Val. She is so cute. She's so sweet. I really like her. She helped me so much. She did a video called How to Make Personal Nails in Depth, and she showed how she does her French tip. And wow, yes, it is so cute. So I hope this method helps y'all too. Check out her videos. They're so bomb. Mine do not look like hers, but she used like a gel paint, so that's definitely what I'm gonna aim for next time if I do a French tip on here or not. But this is how it came out, and they're so bomb, so cute, so cut, period. Probably seen this or heard of this, but it is so dope. Like, so I just put it on the whole nail. You can just put it on the tip, but I feel like I kind of wanted the pink dots to kind of spread out of the French tip. I don't know how to say that, but I just wanted it to look real, like giving Y2k, giving tie-dye panther, I don't know, something like that. So I just put the dots all around. I tried to do a little pattern, but I mean, at the end of the day, once you put the the like charms on top of the nails, you can't really see it, and it's kind of like supposed to be a messy look, so. Another thing I did is before I went on to the next nail, I cured each nail individually by itself and like flash cured it, and then I went ahead and cured my whole hand at the end though. I'm just gonna go ahead and buff my nails again before the charms. I'm so excited. This is my favorite part, but I'm buffing my nails again so that the charms can stick. I do not have any charm glue. I was thinking of using acrylic, but I don't have like monomer, so no. I do want to do like maybe like a TikTok video or something, like okay, like which is better to stick on charms, the like polygel or like rhinestone glue or like acrylic nails, and like wear them out and see which one like lasts longest. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't know, but I want to, so we'll see. So let me explain real quick. So I have a gummy bear, a horseshoe piercing, and then a little like star. I got all of this stuff from Hobby Lobby. You can definitely get the stuff offline. You have way more options to choose from. The gummy bear is crooked. I don't know, like it's even more crooked in person, but it is so crooked. I don't know what happened, but I got everything from Hobby Lobby. The only things that I didn't get from Hobby Lobby is the piercings. I was so excited to do this. A lot of people like, it's like either or, like you don't like it or you really like it, like I don't know. So this part, she put a piercing through a bead, and I just thought that was fire. The only problem is I decided to use circular beads, and so me and my boyfriend was trying to figure out how to get this piercing through this bead, because I just thought that it was gonna go through, but she used square beads. So we had to like burn the inside of the bead. That's why I didn't show you guys how I put it in there on camera, because it was so hard, and some of the bead is broken, so I couldn't even do it on my other hand. Like I couldn't do the bead and piercing on the other hand. I also put a 4 because my birthday's in April, so I just put a 4 for April. I stuck everything on with polygel. I used the polygel for my other nail video, so you know I've had this for a long time. Yikes. But yeah. So right here, it was so hard to put this little horseshoe thing on. In the picture I seen that the girl did it. I don't remember her name. But literally, like, this whole style was inspired by her. So I'm not trying to say I took it or nothing. But yeah, so it was so hard to put on the horseshoe. She had a perfect little dot. I don't know how she did that. I don't know what substance she used. I don't know, maybe she used like hard gel or something and like flash cured it. I don't know. But y'all see me struggling with this polygel. It is not the moves. So we definitely won't be doing this again, hopefully. I want to try I think it's Rhea, or probably Zule's. I don't know her name, but definitely hers. Everybody's talking about hers, so I'll probably try that one next. But basically, this is how my nails came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm filing down the polygel here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions, comments, positivity you want to put down below, I would love to hear it. I love helping people. I'm not a nail tech, and this is not like my job, so I feel like my goal is I want to look at nails and pick apart how to do them, because obviously they're nail techs, they're gonna gatekeep, that's their business, but I am not. So I'm gonna put y'all on, and y'all can put me on too. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned.